If you too enjoy watching videos with beautiful nature, then you need to stay tuned for this one. Why not start the day with something beautiful to bless your eyes? Do you ever ask yourself how these majestic places are real? There are many magical places all around the world, and of course that visiting them will leave you speechless with the things they have to offer. For example, this bridge, it offers the best view. And you can watch it all from the top of it. These breathtaking destinations are definitely worth visiting at least once. Truly unique road to travel. We would be so excited to try it. How relaxing would it be to stand on the top of the mountain and scream all your worries away? Let's take you on a trip in this curvy road. Do you like to take adventures? We bet that you would feel like a princess here. This one is such a famous spot to visit. While this place is beautiful all year round, you should give it a drive during summer season. You could spend days here and never get enough of it. Such places like this are definitely heaven on earth. Some of the best views, and we are excited with each of them. If you are scared of water, think twice before taking on this challenge. Have you ever been here? We hope you enjoyed this beautiful journey around the world.